Let me turn the camera so you can see me mark this thing here. Right about there should do it. Okay, so I want this to bend out towards me and then up. So I need to set a couple of marks on here where I'm going to bend this at. Yeah. That's interesting. So that moves about a ½ an inch. So I'm going to bend it out right about here. Okay. I'm going to go over to that Harbor Freight bender, and I'm going to put the first of the two bends in. I'll know better when I get the first one in, and that's the direction I need to go, so that tells me which side to put that on. When I finally assemble this, I'm going to Loctite it in place. Alright, so I'll be back in a couple minutes. I decided that bozo earlier on really will work to my advantage. Instead of doing set screws from either side to hold this onto the original knob, this is a 7/16 14 thread that I'm doing on this. All I do is bring the hole up just, you know, to the tap size, and we're just going to go ahead and power tap that. And that's all it takes. And then I have to make a set screw to go in there. And I'll do that. Let's see what we got here. Let's put that there. I have a bolt here that I want to use. Let's see. Here. I'll make this bolt into a slotted set screw, and off camera I milled, I don't know if you can see this, it doesn't want to focus on it. This is a piece of Delrin anyway that I'm going to slip into here. Okay, and then this will act as a cushion so that I don't put a real deep dent into that original handle. So even though that was a bozo earlier on, I was able to recover and use it without any trouble. So as soon as I'm done cutting this thing and getting it ready, I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm running low on battery, so I hope I get this shot in. What I'm going to do is part this off where I marked it, and that will give me the length that I need. Now once this is parted off, I'll put a screwdriver hole across there for a common screwdriver. made another bozo. It's supposed to be on the other side, right in there. Okay. No harm, no foul. I got it done. Lock down the carriage. Let me get some cutting oil. I have a feeling I'm a little bit high. Let's try this. Something doesn't sound right. I think I'm a tad high yet. Well, I just broke the tool, so let me get back at this. I'll fix it and I'll get back later. Alright, let's see if I fare any better with high-speed steel. I didn't do so good with carbide. I also slowed it down as slow as I can go without running it back. I'm putting pressure on it and nothing's happening. I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to use a saw to part it off. I don't have time to mess around with this when I'm running out of battery. So I'll get this battery charged and I'll cut this off with a hacksaw. And when I'm set up to do the screwdriver slot, I'll bring you back. Okay folks, here's the end of it. Well, almost the end of it. You can notice that it's sitting off here at about the 10 o'clock angle. And when I come up like here, it's vertical which keeps it out of the way of the apron and where I have to stand to work. Then when I turn it off, I just drop it down. Now I put a stop in here temporarily because the weight of this handle and additional ring here is more than this switch can handle. It wants to go past off and down to reverse. But since I rarely use reverse, I put a stop here temporarily just to see where it's got to go, what it's got to be shaped like, and whatnot. I'll give you a little closer look at that. Okay, here is, that's basically what it is. Just a piece of E-Pay that I formed to fit in here, and it's a temporary thing. Still gives me room to operate the speed without this interfering with me. So there's the project that I wanted to complete. Now I don't have to reach down and under and turn this and whatnot. I just stand over here, excuse me for getting in the way, and just turn it on, I'm ready, turn it off. Just like a shift handle on the car. So, let me zoom out a little bit better. I'll show you that again because I was zoomed in rather far. There's the shift on, and there it's off. And that's all I need for now. It does what I want. It's clear of the quick change tool post. It's clear of this and everything else, and we're going to work with this for a while and make sure that that's all there is that we need to do. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, I'd really appreciate them. If you have negative comments, I'd appreciate those too, but don't give me a thumbs down if you're not going to tell me why. I can't fix it if I don't know what's broke. Thank you.